So see, today we are going to see this question on pair with given sum in sorted array. So we are given an integer target and an array ARR, and we need to find the number of pairs in ARR which sums up to the target. It is given that the elements of ARR are already in the sorted order. Now see, let's see this question. 11557. Sorry. 1 1 फिर क्या था, -1 था, ओके, -1 5 5 7, टारगेट वाज 6. ठीक है, हमें 6 बनाना है. वी नीड टू फाइंड द पेयर्स टू गेट 6. What if I pair -1 and 7? Will we get 6? -1 and 7, ये दोनों मिला के भी 6 हुआ. What if we pair 1 and 5? 1 and 5 maybe we will get 6. One more thing, this 5, we can have this also. Okay, so see, 1 and 5 we can pair this also. ठीक है. Now the total number of pairs will be 3. ठीक है, it's already in sorted order. We can take one start, we can take one end. Okay, then if we are getting target, well and good, we will increase it. Okay, and like that also, if we get the same element, either from the front or from the end, then we will increment the count. Okay, and then we will just multiply it to get it. Let's see a better example for this. Okay, let's see a better example for this. Basically, if you see, you will be getting that we have been doing the same thing. It's basically a two-pointer approach, and then you just need to think a little bit about just increasing and decreasing. Okay, 1 1 1 1. Let's check this. 1 1 1 1. Okay, maximum 2 ही बनेंगे. Okay, cool. There are 6 pairs which sums up. Okay, there are 6 pairs. Sorry, there are 6 pairs. If I do this, it will come with this. It will come with this. It will come with this. 3. ये इसके साथ हो गया, ये इसके साथ हो गया, ये इसके साथ हो गया, ये इसके साथ होगा, ये इसके साथ होगा, and this will pair up to this. Basically, if you see, this is n into n-1 by 2. Like this only. This works. Now see, हमारे पास कितने वंस है? 4. ठीक है, और अगर हम 4 minus 1 किया, then it becomes 3 divided by 2. So now what I will be left with? 6, and we got 6, right? I showed you how we are getting. So while doing so you're getting the idea how we will be doing it. See, brute force is again putting 2 loops which will give you O of n squared. So not going with that approach. Now see, we are going to take int a and s. Answer है ये. Okay, now start as 0 and as ARR dot length -1. Now y start is less than n. Okay, till here you understood. Answer 0 ले लिए, starting took as 0 and n as the array dot length -1. Okay, now see, we will take a variable. Let's take current sum. Okay, and now we will be adding it. Okay, start plus ARR of n. Now if our current sum is greater than the target. If now see, as it was sorted, as it was sorted, and if it is greater than target, ठीक है, let's see this thing. See, अगर यहाँ पे 1 4 and 5 bola, okay, and now see, if you have to find 4, if you have to find 4 as a sum, it is greater, ठीक है, ये कितना बनाएगा 6. So what will you do? You will reduce the end. We have to reduce the end because it's sorted. So हम यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे, ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे, okay. So see, now we will be doing n minus minus, okay. Else if दूसरा case is what? If our current sum is less than target. If it is come, then what we can do? Sorry, then we can just see, wait, start plus plus else if it is equal. If it is equal, also we have to check for those ones, like if one was repeating for the fourth time, we have to check that also. So we will again take E1 E2 as the end, okay, E1 as the, sorry, E1 as the start, E2 as the end. We will take C1 as 0. C1 is used for maintaining the count of the E1, E2 वाले का, okay, basically start and end, okay. So now see, while your ST जो कि start था, okay, okay, wait, start ST ही रहने देते हैं उसको, ठीक है, while ST is less than or equal to n, and then array of start is equal to E1, okay. अगर ये दोनों we have as equal, then what we can do, we can increment the start count also, ठीक है, we can increment the start count also and the count of 1, okay. This thing is done. Another while which we will be taking is while st is less than n, and then and array end हमारा जो होगा वो होगा E2, ठीक है, वो होगा E2, लास्ट वाले एलिमेंट से it will be matching. So in this case what we can do, n minus minus, yes, and C2 plus plus, okay, done, cool. And as I said, अगर इसके साथ भी if we have matching element of E1 and E2, if we got matching element of E1 and E2, what we can do? Answer plus is equal to C1 into C1 minus 1 by 2. By using that formula, okay, by using that formula. Now we will be just taking else answer plus C1 plus, sorry, C1 into C2, okay, C1 into C2, and then now we will be just returning our answer, okay. Now let's see if there are any mistakes or not. Okay, now let's submit the code and let's see whether it's running for all the test cases or not. Basically a simple 2-pointer question, okay. So thanks for watching this video.